In this section, I am going to show you how to create a Python virtual environment and activate this environment. And also I will show you how to install other third-party libraries that require you to run your Python. So choose the directory or folder wherever you want to create a Python environment. So here I have created a Python directory on my desktop. So I'm going to open this folder in command prompt. So type here cmd. Then here we need to write a command to create environment. So write here Python, then -m, then venv, and this is the package that allows us to create, activate, or remove the environment. So write here Python, then -m, then venv, and after this you need to specify the virtual environment name that you want to create. You can give any name you want. So here I'm going to give name tutorial, or if you want, you can specify here any of the name that you want. Then hit enter. And if you see something like this, this means you have successfully created your virtual environment named tutorial. If you are not sure, then view the files and folder of the current directory. So in Windows, type dir. And now you can see here we have directory or folder tutorial. That means we have created virtual environment. Now we need to activate this environment. To activate this environment, specify dot, then slash. Remember, you are going to type this kind of slash, not this kind. So make sure you type this slash. Then here type the directory or folder name or environment name. And after this, again slash, then type scripts, then slash, and then type here activate and hit enter. Now if you see your environment name within the parentheses, that means you have successfully activated the Python virtual environment. Now in this environment, you can install a different kind of libraries or software dependencies. Here software dependencies means software or other package or other libraries that require you to run your Python program or code. So here I'm going to install the IDE Jupyter Notebook. To install that, you can type here pip install notebook and hit enter. As you can see, it's downloading the Jupyter Notebook. So it is going to take some time. Now if you see output like this, which means you have successfully installed the Jupyter Notebook. To open Jupyter Notebook, you need to type here command Jupyter Notebook like this and then hit enter. So in your browser, it opens a Jupyter Notebook IDE where you can execute a Python commands or Python codes. So you will see a Jupyter Notebook interface like this. So here you are going to create a new Jupyter file. To create a new Jupyter file, you need to click here on a new button and then select the Python 3 IPY kernel. And then it opens new Jupyter Notebook with the extension you can see here IPYNB. Remember this extension belongs to Jupyter Notebook. Now you can see here, this is the cell where you can write your Python code that you want to execute. In this cell, you can write a multiple line of code that you want to execute. So let's test it. Write here 4 plus 4. And to execute this cell, to execute this line or Python code, you can click on this run button. And as you can see, it outputs 4 plus 4, 8. Or what you can do here, you can write here 2 plus 2, and to run this code, you can run shortcut command from your keyboard, shift plus enter. And this is the cell, and this cell can contain multiple Python code that you want to execute. For example, you can write here print hello world, and also you can write here print 5 minus 2, and from your keyboard press shift plus enter. We get error because we have not specified the parentheses. Now again run this cell, shift plus enter, and you get the output for the first line as a hello world, and for the second line 5 minus 2 equal to 3. You can also give a name to this notebook. So here I'm going to give a name Python tutorials and save this. Go here, click on file and click on close and shut down notebook. Click on OK, and as you can see, it closes or shut down the notebook. If you want to also close this interface, then go to file and click on shutdown. Then again click on shutdown, and as you can see, you are returned to the terminal or command prompt. As you can see here, your current Python virtual environment is tutorial, and if you want to deactivate this environment, you need to specify command deactivate like this and hit enter. Now you are exit from that environment. So to create a Python environment, you will need to type a command python-m venb, then the environment name that you want to create. After to activate this environment, you're going to type dot then slash tutorial scripts and activate to activate the created environment. And to install any package, you will need to type a command pip install, then the package name that you were to install in this environment. So we install Jupyter Notebook. Then after installing Jupyter Notebook, we open the Jupyter Notebook and run some of the Python code. And to deactivate the environment, you need to type the command deactivate to exit from the current Python virtual environment. And you will see something like this, which means you are in the regular terminal or command prompt. Now from here, you can exit. That's it. And now you can see here your Python Jupyter Notebook file. And if you remember, we have specified name python tutorials.ipynb. So this is all about how to create a Python environment, activate the environment, install third-party libraries, and deactivate the environment. In the next section, we will learn about some Python basics, some Python concepts like arithmetics, operators,